When I pick out underpants, they gotta be comfortable, because if they're not comfortable, I'm not gonna wear them. So I'm bringing you 2 different kinds of underpants that are the most comfortable, never have to worry about wedgies again, never have to worry about readjusting as you go through your day. You're just ready to be comfortable, then stay tuned. First of all, let me tell you my sad, sad tale about finding underpants that fit. This is so hard to talk about. It's really difficult. I spent a lot of years pregnant. I was just pregnant, and then pregnant again, and then pregnant, and then I had more kids, and pretty soon before I knew it, I had 5 kids, and I don't know how it happened. And in all that time, I just kept wearing the same old maternity panties. I just kept buying them again as they wore out. And then even after I stopped having more and more babies, I still kept wearing the maternity underpants because I couldn't find a comfortable pair of pants. I know it's sad. I know it's hard. And then one day, I decided to just buy some Fruit of the Loom. Nobody wants to wear Fruit of the Loom. Can't be beautiful in Fruit of the Loom. But I just needed underpants that fit. So I bought them. And now, for the last 6 years, I've stopped wearing maternity pants. And I'm just wearing Fruit of the Loom, and you can too. There's enough underpants to go around. And that's the secret to being comfortable. Let me show you my Fruit of the Looms. You know what the hard thing about buying underpants is, really and truly? You can find some that are comfortable, but you can never find any that fit, because if you wear a size 4 in pants or shorts or a size small, then you would think you would get a size 4 in underpants or a size small. But no, that wouldn't be true. No, in fact, if you do that, first of all, they don't even sell size 4 underpants that I'm aware of. But let's make it 16. If you wear size 16 pants and you go to buy size 16 underwear, they don't fit right. So let me show you here. I wish I had all the sizes that I used to have, but unfortunately I just have 2 sizes, but I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. This is a size 8. These are all clean, so don't be afraid. In fact, I don't even know if these have ever been worn. I've got a size 8 and I've got a size 6, and I'm gonna show you the difference in sizes. First of all, let's talk about these Fruit of the Loom, because these are your quintessential granny panties. They go up to your belly button. Fabulous. They're a little bit high-waisted. If you've got a little bit of a apron, a skin apron, that little apron does tend to fall out right there. But as long as the elastic is good, as long as they haven't been washed 2 million times, you gotta throw them away at some point, then it tends to get it in there a little bit better. And I just tuck my fat in there, and it will typically stay most of the day. It's not usually coming out and hanging around in my pants, staying in my underpants. So that's very handy. This goes up over my belly button, stays there, never rolls down. Not when I was way bigger, and not now. So these are great no matter what. And covers my booty. When I was bigger, covered my bigger booty. And now that I'm smaller, it covers my very flat booty. Just the same. These are the ideal underpants. This is a size 8. And now I am a size 2. I'm a small. I'm 5 feet tall. I weigh 105 pounds. Small. Petite. I've got a torso that's like 2 inches. And now I wear a size 6. They're a little bit big. If they sold these in size 4, I would get them. And they would probably fit a lot better. But the size 6 is fine and comfy. So let's look at the size difference so you get an idea of what we're going for here. The blue. The back ones, size 8. The bigger ones. And the ones in front, the purple, light purple, these are size 6. You can see that they're much wider. So if you weigh more, you have a lot more room there. And they're a lot longer. So that booty, got plenty of room. Now, these in the size 6 do an even better job of holding in my apron. Now, my apron is obviously smaller because I've lost weight, but it's still that just big old pouch of nothingness. And this does an even better job of keeping it held in. And while these are kind of high thighs, they lay right where my thigh bends. And that's where I like it. I don't want them way up here by my hip. I want them right where my leg bends. And that's where it goes. Fabulous. But now I've been introduced to another pair that's even better. I didn't think it was possible, but now I've come across a pair that are even more comfortable. The size 6 fit good enough. If I could get them in a size 4, I would, because I would like them to be the tiniest bit snugger and not loose at all. I don't want them to be tight, tight, tight. I don't want them to be loose. It doesn't feel right either way. Basically, what it would equate to is I could wear an extra small, so my underpants would need to be about a 2 to be comparable. But they're not. 6 is as small as I can get. And even if it went down one more size, it would still just be a 4. So go within a size or 2 from what size you wear. So if you wear a size 16, try the 18. If you wear a size 18, try the 20. So usually if you just go up in the next size in underpants, it will probably be pretty close depending on how you like them. If you like them to be tighter, then don't go up as much. If you like them to be looser, go up more. If you've got more of an apron, you know, that's why it's hard to buy underpants. But if you weigh 105 pounds and you're 5 feet tall, go with the 6. I think it'll work out fine. If you're much smaller than me or a lot bigger than me, it's gonna kind of be hit and miss. Just try them, return them. That's what I do. But I finally nailed in the size. A 6 is gonna fit me good enough. If I could get a 4, I would. I have talked ad nauseum about the size of underpants more right now than in my entire life. Now let's move on to the underpants that I found that actually are better than these. You're never gonna believe it. They're Fruit of the Loom. These are brand new, I've never even worn them. They have these lines in them and they're so soft. Maybe polyester, but it actually has a really nice silky feel. It's like those workout shirts is what it is. And when you sweat in them, it soaks it up. I don't know what's going on. It takes it away. It's just like, goodbye sweat. And it fits just as good as the cotton ones. The liner is cotton. So even if the outside parts are not cotton, whatever's in there, it's whisking away. No stinkiness, no sweat smells, just nice, comfy underpants. And at first I wasn't sure if I was gonna like them because my normal band is a little bit bigger. And as I mentioned, I don't want my band to roll down. And this one is much thinner. It doesn't roll down. It stays right on my belly button where I like it to be. The legs are the same thinner elastic and they stay right at my bend in my leg, and apron, aka fat rolls, are not falling out. They're staying right in place. And these are so comfortable that you can't even feel them. They do have a lot of seams, and I was worried about the seams because a seam will drive me nuts. But the way the seam is sewn in there, perfection. Let me show you the difference in the seams. See this big seam right there? This one is little in comparison. And because of that, it's actually more comfortable. I'm autistic. Seams, tags, all those things bother me, but these, both the original and these, don't. Occasionally the seams in this, if I'm laying a certain way, will kind of get to me and I'll have to readjust, but overall they don't. And I just want to show you the tag is stamped in. It's embossed in there and it's not rough at all. You can't feel it. It's non-existent. Same for this. Embossed, can't feel it. These right now are my preference because it's hot. And if I'm gonna sweat, my stomach is drip sweats. Can you relate? Give me a thumbs up if your stomach drips sweat on a hot summer day. I'm just loving these right now because they're new. Don't get it wrong though, I'm still wearing these. I only have 5 of these and I have like 25 of these, so I have to switch them out. All that to say, I'll link these for you below. Whenever you use my links to buy something as simple as underpants, I earn a few cents. It doesn't cost you anything extra. It's really easy. I've got it all ready to go for you. All you gotta do is click on it and then give them your credit card. It'll open up to Amazon and or Walmart, whichever your preferred store is, whichever sells them. And that's it. It's so easy. And then in a few days, you'll have underwear shipped to your house that are comfortable. And you'll be like, hey, Michelle was right about these underwear. And then you'll come back and you'll be like, hey, Michelle, I watched your underwear video and this is really weird, but thank you for telling me which underwear to buy. Do you have any suggestions for bras? And I do. So subscribe and I'll see you real soon.